YouTubers, hello everybody out there. My name's Lisa. Today on Pressure Crisp we're going to be doing another one of those quick recipes. I want this to be a quick video, so I'm not going to talk too long in the intro. We're just going to take some chicken legs and we're going to use the shake and bake original recipe in the box. We're just going to follow the crispy baked chicken recipe on the back. So let me zip it up and let's just get started on this recipe. To get started on this quickly, we're going to use the shake and bake original chicken. We're going to follow the recipe on the back. And you're going to open that packet and just put it in a dish just like that. And to this, we're just going to go ahead and add, I think it's at a tablespoon of parsley. It's about right there. Now with this recipe, this is just basic, easy, simple. You could actually change this up if you wanted to. Go ahead and add Italian seasoning to this if you wanted to make it Italian. And also you could probably throw Parmesan cheese in with this mix. Once again, like I say in a lot of my videos, take these recipes and make them yours. Change it up the way your taste buds are and just take charge of the recipe and make it. What you also need is, you're going to need like I think this is one third cup of mayonnaise. Of course, on the box, it says to use Kraft. We don't like the Kraft mayo or the Miracle Whip, so we're sticking with Hellmann's. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to grab our chicken leg, and you're just going to coat this chicken leg with this mayo. I'm just going to show you one so you get the gist of it. And once again, just so you know, this mayonnaise is contaminated. You do not want to use this mayonnaise on anything else. Just discard it when we're done coating this lovely chicken. And you will drop it like I just did. Alright, beautiful. And you put this down, and I'm just going to roll it around in this seasoning. Look at that. This actually coats it beautifully. I am going to use my clean hand. We'll see how long this stays clean because I have a bad habit of not keeping my hands clean. Look at that. That's actually, it looks really nice. And the mayonnaise makes this stick beautifully. I mean, when you use plain water, you do not get coverage like this. This is fabulous. I'm just going to shake off the excess, make sure the whole thing's coated, and I'm just going to go over and pop it in the Ninja Foodi with the Air Crisp basket in the Ninja Foodi. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up. Okay, so here's a nice shot of these chicken legs in the Ninja Foodi, fully coated. We're going to go ahead and drop the lid. We're going to select Air Crisp. We're going to keep it on 390, and we're just going to hit start. It automatically defaults to 25 minutes. Now, while it's running, you can actually increase the time. I'm going to increase this time to 25 minutes. But we're going to check these halfway through and turn them. Okay, so it's about halfway through the cooking time. We're going to pop the top. They are really looking good. We're going to go ahead and turn them over. Whoops. Try to be gentle so the coating does not come off like on that one. Whoops. There we go. The ligament broke. Beautiful. Let me just finagle these about. There we go. And we're just going to go ahead and lower the lid. Okay, so there's about 2 minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and pop the top. Oh yeah, look at those legs. Beautiful. Once again, one of your best friends in the kitchen is an instant read thermometer. I'm just going to go ahead and poke these guys. That one's done. That one's done. These guys are done. So this took about 23 minutes to cook these legs. I'm just going to take these out. Once again, be careful as the coating will come out. I am going to let these cool because they are going to be super, super hot. And I'll be back and we'll do a taste test. Let's get to that taste test. This is what we made. Recipe's right on the back of the box. Let's get you a close-up of these lovely chicken legs. Gorgeous. They're still steaming. I'm going to try some of the coating first. Hold on a second. Not sure if you heard that. Let me see if I can find another piece here. It was like super crunchy. Let's see. Not the same. Not the same. But it's super crunchy. The mayonnaise makes them brown up really, really, really nice. And I mean, look. Beautiful chicken legs. And these are hot. And you don't need to spray them with oil. These chicken legs had mayonnaise on them as well as chicken skin. So there's enough fat. Do not spray them. All right. Let's get to that taste test. This is going to be like napalm. It's going to be super, super hot. See that steam? This is really good. This is wow good. This is like wow over the top good. I mean, look. Chicken is so moist. It's delicious. Super moist. I'm not sure. Look at that. Look, look, look. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick and long videos using your Ninja Foodi. Delicious.